What's up, guys? Welcome to MotivTraders. I'm sorry that I haven't been posting videos lately, and
FNGD.
I had a lot of stuff going on. So I have a different job also. That's why I wasn't able to free up some of my time. But today I'm free. So make a
UVIX.
long story short, I want to tell you guys about today's trade, the recap videos. So I didn't do any small caps. Small caps means as a penny stocks. So mostly what I did this past week is large caps, and I do options. So there's one trade regarding there's a Nvidia trade. Okay, so this trade um, I've been waiting it since the earning, right? So I didn't want to kind of take the trade. I was like, you know what? Yesterday
SQQQ.
was the earning, and I feel like you know what? I was thinking about buying
SPDN.
dips, but then I was like, the IV is gonna be really big of an issue. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna stick away from that. I'm gonna buy tomorrow and see what comes
FNGD.
back. The earning was so good, but as you
SRTY,
noticed this
TZA,
week, most
SPXS.
of the earning stocks it pushes up pre-market, but for some reason it comes back down, even though the earning is so good. So you got
SQQQ.
Nvidia earning; it was really good. It beats most of the stuff, but you know, um, most of the earnings, like I said, if for some reason it just
RWM.
comes down. So I figure, you know what, Nvidia might be something like that. So I took my chances and look by the chart. So as you can see, this is one
SDS,
minute chart and this is 5 minute
SPXU.
chart, right? So when it's open, it flushes, it just came
SOXS,
back down, and never went back. So after in about afternoon
PSQ.
time, that's when it kind of slowly grinding, and SPY also comes up, but it kind of wiggling at the VWAP, right? So I took my chances. I bought in at about 486.
RCUS.
I think it was like 486. That's when I bought in, which is about just about I think it was about over here. Here's
SQQQ.
486. Okay, so I gave myself a little bit of
SPXS.
risk.
TEX.
So as you can know, this is a $470 stocks, close
UVXY.
to 500. So my risk was anything higher than 487 is when I wanted, just let it go. But my reward is so huge.
UVIX.
QID.
I was thinking, all the way
TZA.
down to 475, which eventually it did
SDS.
what I was,
HIBS.
um, analyzing on. Um, so I had three trades. First trade was Tesla. Um, no, first trade was Microsoft, and that gave me a good
SQQQ.
SRTY.
116, and then
SOXS.
I put a trade in
SDOW.
Tesla,
SPXU.
and then
FNGD. PSQDN.
185 from
RWM.
that. It didn't went my way. So my last trade was Nvidia that I've been
HIBS.
waiting it since. I was gonna short pre-market, but for some reason my fill didn't get through and just kind of flushed.
TEX.
I placed on a bid. It went without me. So I was
SQQQ.
waiting. I really wanted to
SQQQ.
this Nvidia trade.
SPXS.
I had a good feeling that it's gonna go down, even though the earnings is a beat and it's good. But sometimes it just that's how the market is, and
FNGD.
TZA.
that's direction. So I had a good trade. I only bought three contracts of Nvidia, and I'm up
SDS.
$490 on that.
HIBS.
SQQQ.
Contract. Imagine if I took 10 contracts, that would be a good amount. But I know I didn't want to risk um, a lot onto it because it's on the after hour. I mean afternoon trade, which
TWM.
is not something ideally. But I wanted to
SDOW.
risk it
SH.
because
SPXU.
a
SRTY.
lot of the
RWM.
times,
UVIX.
QID.
even though it's so
PSQ.
good as a beat, it just comes right back down. So
Verse.
the same thought I had with
FNGD.
Nvidia in my
RVMD.
mind, and it did. So I bought it at 486,
SARC.
which is a little above VWAP, and my first position I think was at like 481 or 482. So I took one
MYMD.
contract off, just in case Nvidia is a stock that's it just comes right back up out of nowhere. That's something I don't want to. Even though if it comes back up, so I had a little bit profit. I could make it even a break even trade, or maybe lose the $10 on it. It's something you know. But if it, my target's on the 475. That's where my target. So when it reaches 475, which is the early morning low, which is about 474.70. So I was a little bit caution here. So I took a profit on 475 something, right? And then I took another one for the break of the lows, which is 474.70. Yeah, I
UVXY.
mean, it went out. The video is a great trade. That sometimes the market is just weird. Even though it is a beat, right? And
UVIX.
it just falls. It just fails. You know, I've been studying market for a good 2 years, and I just consistently see how the market move, which direction is going. Why the earnings is so good, but it just keep dropping. Sometimes that's how it comes out. So yeah, I'm up for 465. So no small cap this week, and I'm happy that it went to the way
SCLX.
that it
BRSH.
for me. So this week, I mean for this month, I was down because there was 2 weeks ago I had one trade. That's a little bigger loss to me. So how I keep track of my is somewhere.
SCLX.
I put an
Blue.
Excel sheet. So I'm up. So for this amount, then it will bring me up about $400 for this month, which I'm happy. It was the
UVIX.
way that I analyze it. So yeah. Thanks so much for watching the video, and hopefully see you next time on the recap.
HIBS.
Don't forget, guys, I'm always live streaming on in the mornings from
Market
9
on close and balance,
from 9 from
$3.2
OM.
million
to
on the
4
sell
o'clock
side.
most of the time. Feel free to join me. My screen might not show I'm here, but I'm always finding the right stocks to trade. So yeah, thank you again for watching my videos, and see you guys tomorrow on the live stream, which is Friday, and then at the weekends, and yeah,
NCR.
ciao ciao.